Welcome back to my channel, Learning Spanish with Words. Today we're going to look at the letter H. So English words beginning with H converted to Spanish. Right, here we go. Hot. Calurosos. Calurosos. Or more commonly used, caliente. Caliente. Had. I had. Tuve. Tuve. Heavy. For ladies, it would be pesadas. Pesadas. And for men, pesados. Pesados. Homework. Tarea. Tarea. Had. They had. Tuvieron. Tuvieron. Or tenían. Tenían. Hearing. Oyendo. Oyendo. Handsome. Guapo. Guapo. Hide. Esconder. Esconder. Or, if there's more than one, escondiamos. Escondiamos. Honestly. Sinceramente. Sinceramente. Hurry. Prisa. Prisa. Heard. Manada. Manada. Happened. Ocurrió. Ocurrió. Head. Cabeza. Cabeza. Hurt. Duelan. Duelan. Healthy. Saludable. Saludable. Or healthy. Salud. Salud. Hands. Manos. Manos. Honey. Miel. Miel. Heart. Corazon. Corazon. Hill. Colina. Colina. Heating. Calefacción. Calefacción. How much? Cuánto es? Cuánto es? Hang. Kilogram. Kilogram. We hung. Colgamos. Colgamos. Have. We have. Tenemos. Tenemos. Haven't. No hay. No hay. Ham. Jamón. Jamón. Have. They have. Han. Han. And finally, in this session, which was rather long, housing. Vivienda. Vivienda. And that concludes H converted to Spanish. Thanks for listening and watching. Hope you've enjoyed something. If you have, please like and subscribe. And if you haven't, well, just keep it to yourself. Thanks for watching. Hope to see you again sometime. Hasta luego.